So ito yung mga qualification na kailangan nyong ma-meet. Okay. Must be an APSAT passer, natural born Filipino citizen, single with no parental obligation, at least 5 feet tall, both male and female. Number 5 is physically and mentally fit. Number 6 is at least 18 years old but not a day older than 26 years old upon entry. And last is no pending case in any court. Okay, ito yung mga tandaan nyo. Pito yan ha. Pito yan. Ito. Okay, requirements na kailangan dalhin. Dito ko ilalagay sa taas. Okay. Una, diploma or college or senior high school. Okay, number 2 is transcript of record para sa mga college graduate. And para naman sa senior high school is form 137. And then number 3 na kailangan dalhin is PSA birth